How to fix Messenger create a room not showing. So if your Messenger is not showing a create a room option, then this video might help you to fix. So watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So as per the new update of Messenger, you'll be able to create a room of certain person from where you can video chat or chat with those person at a time. So you can easily find that option at the calls option which you can switch it through the button, and here will be the option for create room at the top. Or if you tap over people, then you also may be able to see the create room option, but right now you are unable to see this option. So if it's not showing, then the first thing is you need to check for the update. For that you have to go back and you have to open up to Google Play Store. Here tap on the search bar and you have to search for Messenger. And right now my Messenger is up to date, but if any updates on your Messenger is available, then you just can tap over and update your Messenger. So with this update you will be able to get the feature for create room option, and you will be able to use that. This is the first thing, but even though my Messenger is updated, the create room option is not available. So the second thing is you have to go back and open up the Messenger, and here you have to tap over the three bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, and you have to go for settings option in the right hand side. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see report technical problem option. Just tap over there and you have to go for report problem option and go for include, and Messenger will create a report. You just have to wait for a while. So here in this text field you have to explain that I'm unable to get an option for creating a room on Messenger, which is the latest feature of Messenger. So help me to fix this. You can write like that, or you can add your own and tap over the send option at the right upper corner. And by doing that, Messenger will contact you through any media and they will guide you to fix your problem. This is the second thing. Now at last, you need to note that in some of the region or country, this option is not available right now. Facebook is trying its best to give this feature to everyone using the Facebook, but in some of the region it's not working. So if it's not available, then you need to know that this feature is right now not available on your region, and you just have to accept it. So this is how you can fix if you are unable to see create a room option on your Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.